Hi everyone. Today we bring you to our weekly insights on creating pump controls using Control Wizard. Capricorn Technologies, a Win0 company and partner of choice for AEC industry, is one of the biggest platinum partner of Autodesk and Bentley, along with an authorized training center. We have 300 plus dedicated team members with clientage of over 20,000 in AEC and associated industries. So these are some of the features of how we can create the controls using the control wizard. So basically the control tab allows you to manage all controls defined in your network. Controls can be of two types, simple or logical. Simple controls are made up of an if condition and a then action statement. And logical controls are made up of an if condition, a then condition, and an optional else action. So in today's video, we will see how you can quickly and easily create controls. Now suppose this is the network on which I am working and you need to set the controls in your network. So for that, if you go on your home tab, then you will find this control option here. And when you will click on this tab, then this type of dialog box will appear in front of you. So basically, as I already told you that you can create two types of control, simple and logic. So first I'll talk about the simple control, and for creating that, you can simply go here, control wizard, and when you will click here on control wizard, so this type of box will open in front of you, and from here we can set the elevation values for pump and tank. So first of all, you can choose the pump from here and the tank for which you want to create the controls. Now in my network, there are two pumps, pump PMP4 and pump 5. So from here, you can select your pump and tank. And here you can set the elevation values for the pump with on and off operators and create on the create button after that. So I will simply write here elevation values. And I will click on create. And as soon as you will click on the create option, then you can see that your controls have been created here. That if your hydraulic gradient is less than 180, then pump 4 will status will be on. And if it's greater than 200, then it will be off. So this is how you can create your simple controls in your network. Now, if you want to use these conditions and actions tabs present here for creating the controls, then how to do that? So first of all, I'll delete this. And now you want to create some conditions, then actions according to those conditions, and then you can combine both your conditions and action to create the control using this tab. So first of all, I'll click here on conditions, and already created condition, I'll delete this. And suppose now I want to create a new condition, so I will go here and click on new, simple. And from here you can select your element with the help of this binocular option present here. When you will click on this binocular option, then again you will find this binocular option here, and when you will click on it, then from here you can select the option. You can select your element for which you want to create the condition. For example, I want to create it for tank. Okay. And then you can change the operator also from here, greater than, equal to, greater than, less than, equal to, accordingly. Then you can just give here the elevation value. And as soon as you'll do that, you can see that one of your condition has been created here. So this condition has been created. Now for creating another condition, we will repeat the process again. I will create new, simple. Then again, I will select the element from here. But since I have already searched for that, so it is available here now. So I will click here T1, and now you can change the operator if you want and create new condition from here. And as soon as I did that, you can see that new condition has been created here. Now, based on these conditions, I will create some actions now. So I will click here on actions, and I will click here on new, simple. And from here, you can search the element for which you want to create the actions. So for example, I want to create the action for pump 4 first. Pump 4, okay. So whatever you want, if you want, first of all, the pump status should be on, then this is one of your actions and this has been created here. Now for creating another action, new, pump 4 and off. So you can see that two actions have been created here. Now I'll repeat the same for pump 5 as well. So I'll go here, new, I will search for pump 5 and okay, on, and next action, pump 5 and off. So you can see here that I have created 4 actions here and 2 conditions. So now I will merge both these condition and action in this control tab, and I will create some controls on the basis of them. So when I'll click on the controls here, then I'll do the same. So first of all, I'll select a new from here, new, and for this if situation here, now if you click here on this binocular option, then you can find the conditions that I have just created. These are the 2 conditions that I created, and you can select any of the condition according to your choice. Select. Then means these are the actions. So when you click on this binocular option, you will find all the actions that I have just created, and you can select any of the action according to your work. You can also create a else option if you want. You will have to click has else, tick right, and then you can create this else also. So this is how you can create the controls, basically pump controls in your WaterGems file. And this control tab helps you to maintain your control for an easier solution. So I hope that you guys had an insightful session. For more videos and updates, do subscribe our channel Capricot Technologies Private Limited and like and comment if you like the insight. We would be delighted to hear from you. Please reach out to us for any suggestions, query, or topic that you would want to discuss. See you next week. Thank you.